Unlock your financial data with this quick guide to downloading your Barclays bank statements in CSV format. First, you'll need to access your Barclays online banking. Head to the official Barclays website and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, locate the Statements or My Accounts section. This is usually found in the main navigation menu, often towards the top or side of the page. If you have multiple accounts, select the specific account for which you wish to download the statement. Now, you'll see an option to select the date range for your statement. Choose the desired month or period by clicking on the calendar icons. Next, look for a Download or View Statement button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu or a new page should appear with download format options. Crucially, from the available formats, select CSV, separated values for easy data analysis. Click the Download button again, and your statement will begin downloading as a CSV file. You can then open this file with any spreadsheet software for effortless financial management and analysis. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Barclays bank statement in CSV format. For more helpful financial tips, be sure to subscribe.